Hi guys, welcome to this video. So at previous video, we already made this Captain America shield out of cardboard. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make the new looking shield, the Falcon version. But now it has magnetic strap. Look, pretty cool, isn't it? This is Make It Cheap.
To make the shield, I did the same method as the first shield. You can click this card if you want to see the first build video. It's pretty much the same. So I make the triangle on the cardboard, I cut the cardboard, I bend the triangle, I glue the triangles, and I glue the shield with wood glue. Now we just need to make the foam part. Before we get to the shield making, let's make the magnetic strap first. I use magnet from old speaker, so I need to cut the speaker frame to get the magnet. It's a little bit tricky because you're gonna need an angle grinder, but you can ask someone to help you, or just buy a magnet. But it's better to use old stuff like this because it's cheap. Now we need something to hold the magnets. I put 2 magnets on a holder and I use bamboo as the magnet holder. I'm just thinking that the shape of the bamboo looks great to stick on my arm. I also use adhesive hook and loop tape, strap, or whatever you name it, so it's adjustable.
Okay, so this magnet strap is pretty cool. It's stuck pretty well on metal, even it's just made of old speaker magnet. And now it's difficult to take it off.
Okay, we are done with the magnet. Now let's get into the shield. I need to put these thin metals on the back of the cardboard shield where the magnets will stick on. for the shield, I still use foam on this project because it's cheap and easier to build. And we're just gonna need to make a circle as big as the cardboard shield. To make the rings, I use this clever trick to make a perfect circle. So I bind a pin and a pen on both string end and place the pin in the center of the circle and drag the pen along the way. And this is it, a nice looking circle. You can use this method to make all the rings of the shield, and each ring has 2.5 inches wide. I forgot to tell you that the diameter of the shield is about 25 inches. And for the second ring, we need to split it up, just like this. I need to burn every side of the second ring to make the gap between it noticeable. When the 3 rings are done, now we can make the star. You can print a pentagon to guide you to make a perfect star like this. It's just easier for me. Now on this new shield, the star has pattern like this. I need to make a template to make the shape perfect, and I'm going to use this can. Now we have drew the lines, we can cut it, but not too deep. We don't need to cut it out. Okay, now we can burn it a little bit, just like the second ring, to make gaps. Alright, we are pretty much done with the rings. Now we can glue the foam on the cardboard. But before we do it, we need to make holes like this on the second ring. Okay, now let's glue the foam. I still use wood glue on this part. Wood glue is just perfect. Let's start from the start. Because wood glue takes time to dry, I need to use hot glue as an assist. When all the foam glued, we need to let it rest more or less 12 hours until the wood glue hardens and dry. Okay, the shield is ready and it is time for coloring. For the primary color, I use gray wall paint because I'm going to color the shield with metallic paint. So the color will be a little bit darker than my first build shield. I'm going to color the silver part first, so we need to cover the other part with masking tape. Just spray the paint thinly at first for a good result, and the interval to the second spraying is about 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay guys, so I did a mistake. The blue paint wasn't dry perfectly and I already applied the masking tape. And when I take off the masking tape, the paint also peeled off like that. So I guess I'm going to paint the blue part at the last. So I'm going to paint the red ring first. This one and this one. So, but I'm going to do it tomorrow because it's already dark. So, yeah.
Glory morning guys, let's finish this shield.
Alright guys, so this new looking shield is pretty epic, especially this magnet strap. So I did a bit of adjustment on this magnet strap, so I added this handle. If I don't put this handle there, this magnet become so shaky on my arm because these magnets are pretty heavy. But now I can put my hand right there and I can control the magnet. So it's better now. Because I use a gray primary color, this shield looks more darker than this one. And if you see on the silver part on the star and the second rings, there are some scratches because of the masking tape. It's not supposed to be like that. It bothers me at first, but now I think it looks pretty nice. And the magnet, it's stuck pretty strong on metal. Actually, this project was inspired from the hacksmith, if you watched his video about 5 years ago I guess. But he used an electromagnetic, which is expensive. I just use old material like this. These magnets, I took it from my old speaker, but it still works pretty good. Look. See? Even if you throw the shield, you can catch it easily. And if you want to take the shield off, you have to push this side like that. But if you push it this way, you can't do that because look, the magnet's still stuck. You have to lose the energy of the magnet by pushing this side. Alright guys, I hope you like this project. If you have any project idea, please let me know in the comment down below. So please leave a like if you do like this video and subscribe to see my next project in the future. And I will see you on the next episode of Make It Chit. As always, stay creative.